No.
Mom? 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 I have a birthday present for you. I'm glad oh, yeah. Oh, you're fine.
I know, I do.
Matthew! Oh my gosh!
You stand there for
You noticed the phone before you noticed the name.
Oh, that was bright blue! Oh my gosh!
Birthday.
How did you come?
I
know, by plane.
Land, sea, and water.
Oh my heavenly days! That was